Like, I seen a lot of people battling on the smaller leagues, like A-Hat and stuff like that. And it seems like you caught fire. Like, you were one of the first dudes I seen really have a little online fan base buzzing about him and not being on the major leagues. Then you messed around and got on the Snoop card and blew the roof off the shit. Like, how was that journey for you, being that you weren't from that first generation of battlers that got on? Like, how was it?
Man, for me, it was hard to get there, but I always felt like I belonged there because I was always a fan of the battle raps, but at the same time, I've been killing niggas on the street. They just hadn't seen me. That's why if you look, it's so easy for me to transition, because I've been doing this. I've been an inventor of hot bars. I've been a pioneer. They just hadn't seen me. I'm like a Earl Manigault, like a Kareem Reed. If y'all know about street basketball, street legends, that's me. I've been a street legend, real talk.
What do you think was the battle that really made people start looking at you like, yo, this dude could rumble with some of the best of them?
I think the B-Magic battle, even though it's a myth around it and it still hasn't dropped, the B-Magic battle did wonders for me. Shout out to Snoop. But one of the battles that people have seen, I would say maybe the Dre Vicious battle is one of the battles where people really started to wake up on the West and be like, yo, this kid is something to be reckoned with, seriously.
So let me ask you this, man. During the B-Magic battle, you had the whole Nelly thing. And we were talking about how it came about before. Kind of talk about, because that's going to be a famous line when the battle drops. Talk about how that line came about.
Man, it was just improvisation, man. A lot of people don't know, but I'm from the West Coast, where the definition of a freestyle is a little different. On the East Coast, a freestyle is like the dopest 16 or the dopest joint you remember off the top of your head. On the West Coast, a freestyle is no written. It ain't nothing you wrote, it's straight improvisation. And that's what I came from. So when I seen Nelly and I could relate him to B-Magic, I instantly thought, let me get B-Magic, let me get Nelly, let me get anybody from St. Louis. And you know what I mean, Nelly was real cool about it. It's the big bro, he showed me mad love. But yeah, that's where it stemmed from.
So, like tell people what the line was.
It was, let me think back. It was actually, what I say, don't quote me on this, but it was something like, St. Louis ain't been popping since Nelly. I'm from Cali where they pick the heat up. You from where niggas wear band-aids on their face cause they known for getting beat up. The crowd went bananas. Bananas. That's basically it in a nutshell.